Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar, faculty in Civil Engineering Department, RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today I have come a new topic on concrete technology. First one, what is concrete? Concrete is a construction material composed of fine aggregate, cements and coarse aggregate mixed with water which harden with time is called concrete. Different types of cements are used in concrete production such as ordinary Portland cement, rapid hardening cement, sulfate resisting cement and hydraulic cement are used for the concrete production. And fine aggregate are defined as which size is less than 4.75 mm on sieve and coarse aggregate are defined as which size is no more than on sieve. Portland cement is used for the production of concrete. Portland cement properties are which initial settlement is not less than 30 minutes and final settlement time is not more than 10 hours. Concrete technology deals with the study of properties of concrete and its practical application. In building construction, concrete is used for the construction of foundation, column, beam, slabs and other load-bearing elements. There are different types of material are used in concrete production. In cement such as lime for lime concrete and bitumen for asphalt concrete is used for the road construction. In strength of concrete mix is specified M5, M10, M15, M25 and 30 where M stands for mixed design and 5, 10, 15 and extra and stand for compressive strength after 28 days in kilonewton per meter square. In United States, concrete strength is specified in PSI which is pound square per inch. In concrete, water cement ratio play an important role and affect the properties workability, strength and durability. What is water cement ratio? Water cement ratio is defined as weight of water to the weight of cement. This water cement ratio affect the properties and strength of concrete. Adequate water cement ratio is required for the production of concrete. When water is mixed with cement and this will be hydration reaction will start. This reaction help to form a hard mix and bind the material together a durable stone like a material and this material is used for the in construction. There are different type of admixture are used to improve the properties of concrete. Admixture are used in concrete properties to improve the properties of concrete and durability and strength of concrete production. Admixture of additives such as pozzolana, superplasticizer and included in mixture to improve the physical properties of that mix and finished material. Different types of admixture are used in these days. Rice husk chemicals are used in these days for the improve the property of concrete. Various type of concrete are manufactured in these days for the construction of building. They have special properties and which features which improve the quality as per requirement and design of concrete structure. Component of concrete. Component of concrete is basically sand, aggregate and water. Aggregate are categorized in two categories, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. Fine aggregate are those aggregate which size is less than 4.75 mm sieve and coarse aggregate which size is more than 4.75 on sieve. Water is used where pH value is 7 is used for the concrete production. Portland cement and water is called is paste and sand water is called sand cement water is called is mortar. So concrete can be mixture of paste, sand and aggregate. Sometimes rocks are used instead of aggregate. This cement paste coat the surface of fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and mix thoroughly bind them. After mixing the component, hydration reactions will start and this reaction will start strength and rock solid concrete is obtained and concrete is used for road construction in civil structure. Thank you very much. My topic on concrete technology is complete. Thank you.